Well, there's a tip. Let's take a look at who might be in the running to replace Theresa May should she lose tonight's vote of confidence. Well, amongst the favourites is the man you've just heard about, the former Brexit Secretary Dominic Raab, who resigned over the draft agreement reached by Mrs May. Of course, there's always the Brexiteer and former Foreign Secretary Boris Johnson. He resigned in July over Mrs May's Chequers plan. The Home Secretary, Sajid Javid, who backed Remain but has since positioned himself as a leaver, will almost certainly put himself forward. Now, the Environment Secretary and Brexiteer Michael Gove, who ran against Theresa May in last year's election, just been speaking to him. He didn't rule it out quite, although he says he doesn't think it's going to arise. David Davis, who resigned as Brexit Secretary in July, is seen perhaps as the elder statesman of the Brexiteers. Then there's the chair of the European Research Group, Jacob Rees-Mogg, who's publicly filed a vote of no confidence. He's always denied that he wants the job without quite ruling out running for it. The Foreign Secretary and Remainer, Jeremy Hunt, has reshaped his position to support leaving now, and he tweeted today that saying that a leadership contest is the last thing the country needs. Then there's, on the other side, the prominent Remainer and Work and Pension Secretary Amber Rudd, who tweeted to say that May has her full support. The International Development Secretary and Brexiteer Penny Mordaunt has been the least supported member of the Cabinet so far. And don't forget the Leader of the Commons and staunch Brexiteer Andrea Leadsom, who initially ran against Mrs May in last year's election before withdrawing. Or, of course, it could be none of the above. That's the way Conservative leadership elections go.